Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use OP Auto Clicker. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for OP Auto Clicker. Once you find it, click on the app and press the Get or Install button to start downloading it. Once installed, open the app. First, select the mouse button you want to automate, such as left, right, or middle click. Next, choose the click type, either single click or double click. You can also set the number of repetitions if you want the clicks to stop after a specific amount, or leave them unlimited. Another important setting is the click interval. This controls the time between each click and can be adjusted in milliseconds, seconds, minutes, or hours. You can also choose whether the clicks happen at your current cursor location or select a specific location on the screen. To start the auto clicker, press Start or use the F6 hotkey. So that's basically how you can use OP Auto Clicker. That's it for this video. Thanks.